Hello beautiful guys, welcome back to my channel Fashion Fables. If you are new my channel, please subscribe and like my video. Today we have got special treats for all the fashion enthusiasts out there. We are diving deep in the world of women's shirts. Whether you're classy shirts lover or always on the lookout for the latest trends, we got you covered. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our fashion updates. Let's get started. First thing first, let's talk about the timeless classic. Every wardrobe needs a few staple pieces. And now it comes to women's shirts. Classic styles never go out of fashions. The white bottom down shirts is a must have. It is very stylish, elegant and can be up or down over any occasions. Pair your classic white shirts with taller trousers for a polished look of Goraka's web by wearing it with your favorite denim. The responsibilities are endless. No less shirts or faces of the latest trends. In women's shirts, fashion is every loving and exciting. To see have designers are renovating traditional styles. One trends that a bottom making ways is oversized shirts. They are not only comfortable but also add a touch of shirts. Style your outfits, experiment with different patterns and fabrics. Plaid strips over even a bold paint can be statements. You can be wear them over classic dresses. Lace them over, knot them at a waist for a chic look. Now let's talk about fabric and textures. The materials for your shirts can be significant, impact the overall feel and look. Cotton is a classic chic, providing a breathability and comfort. Silk, on the other hand, has a touch of luxury and is perfect for more formal occasions. Don't shy away from experimenting with textures like denim. Each fabric brings its own unique web to the table, giving you endless option to express your styles. Before we wrap up, let's go over some quick styling tips to elevate your shirt game. Tuck in your shirt for other polished appearance. Leave it untucked for classic web. Experiment this accessory like statements, necklace to add a personal touch. And there you have it. The ultimate guide to women's shirts from classic standard to trendy styles. I hope you find this video hopeful and got some inspiration for your next outfit. If you enjoyed this comment, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to comment below with your favorite shirt.